Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to faithfully restore old photos with Gemini AI and how you can bring your memories back to life in just a few clicks. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to Gemini. This is Google's AI platform and it works directly in your browser, so there's nothing extra to install. It's important because this is where the photo restoration happens. Step 2. Locate the old photo you want to restore on your device or online. This could be a scanned image, a family photo, or a picture saved on your computer. Choosing a clear image helps Gemini produce better restoration results. Step 3. Right-click on the photo and click Copy Image. This action copies the image to your clipboard so it can be shared with Gemini easily. It's a fast way to transfer images without uploading files manually. Step 4. Return to Gemini and click inside the input box. This is the chat area where you communicate with the AI. Clicking here ensures Gemini is ready to receive your image and instructions. Step 5. Paste the image using Ctrl+V or right-click and click Paste. The photo will appear directly in the chat input. This step is essential because Gemini needs to see the image before restoring it. Step 6. Paste a photo restoration prompt below the image or type your own request. You can ask Gemini to restore details, fix scratches, or improve clarity while keeping it realistic. Clear instructions help achieve faithful restoration. Step 7. Click Send to start the restoration process. Gemini will analyze the photo and your prompt. This is where the AI begins enhancing and repairing the image. Step 8. Review the restored photo once the result appears. Take a close look at the details, colors, and facial features. Reviewing helps you decide if the restoration meets your expectations. Step 9. Download it to save the restored photo to your device. This allows you to keep a permanent copy for sharing or printing. Saving ensures your restored memory is always accessible. Step 10. Click the Redo button if you want to generate another version. This option lets you try different results or improve the restoration further. It's useful if you want multiple variations. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tutorials.